In this video, we're going to discuss the Smart Pack option. Now, Smart Pack's located in the left menu here. And what Smart Pack does is it enables multiple item orders to be packaged as densely as possible. So basically, in as small a package as possible to minimize shipping costs. And what the app does need you to do though is tell it that what type of packaging you've got. So in this example, we've added a small box and a medium box. You can obviously add more as you go, and you can call it what you like. So you might call it, widget box, and the package type would be carton. So you could choose any type of packaging, but if it's a box, it would be a carton. And the maximum weight that may be able to be held within this widget box may be, say, 10 kilos. Anything heavier than that, and the box can't sustain the weight. Now, the size of this box might be 30 by 40 by 50 centimeters. So if we save that, now that gets added to the list. And if we turn on Smart Pack, what now happens is at checkout, when buyers are ordering products, their shipping quotes that are returned, the system goes off and figures out, okay, what are all the items in the cart, and what's the smallest possible package that those items can fit into. And once it knows that, based on these three boxes that you've added here, the packages that you would send out, it returns the shipping quotes based on that size package and that weight. So it's a great way to really, over the long term, reduce shipping costs as orders go out from multiple item orders. So to give you an example, we'll go into an order that completed earlier, this one here, and if we scroll down, we'll see the actual summary. So this order has been fulfilled. It's got the consignment number. It's telling you that this is the actual package that was chosen from all those options that were there. And if you click on the link here, the Smart Pack link, as you can see here, it actually explains which carton was chosen, the total weight, what it contains. So 2 items. So there were two. These are the two items here that were in the order. So they go into this one box, this package that it's chosen, and it actually tells you the order to pack to, which is great. So in this example, it's quite a large box. If you add more boxes and there's a range of boxes, it will actually choose a smaller box to fit these 2 items into. But this is how they would sit within the box. As an example, it would tell you to put this box in first, facing this way, and then it would tell you to put the other box in next. As you get more and more items, obviously it tells you to put another box next to here and so on. So it's a great way to your dispatch guys to know how the products that were bought in that order, to how they need to be packaged within the actual box or package that you're using to ship the order. So that's Smart Pack's a great way to save costs over the long term. And the secret though is, as I mentioned earlier, is in the Smart Pack area, try and have as many packages as you can here. I would probably have a minimum of 5, if not more. So obviously these packages are boxes or satchels or tubes or flat packs that you would use within your warehouse or your shipping area that you have regular access to. So don't put any boxes here that you don't actually have in your warehouse or in your dispatching area, because you won't, if the order comes through and it says use this particular box to ship the order, then you won't have that box available, and there will be an issue because you'll get further shipping charges from the shipping carrier after the fact. Also, in the pending pickup tab, you'll see any fulfilled orders with Smart Pack also showing the Smart Pack link, so you can click on that. It'll show you the packaging. You can actually print that off, expand it and print it off for your dispatch people to package the order correctly as well.